If you've ever wondered how people earn a living while traveling full-time or living remotely, you're not alone. In this video, I'm sharing my personal experience with Wealthy Affiliate, an incredible platform that helped me turn my passion into a sustainable income. I discovered Wealthy Affiliate in the fall of 2022 while looking for remote work opportunities. At the time, I had just finished a summer job as a camp host and was searching for something I could do outside of seasonal work. I wanted a side hustle that was flexible and didn't tie me down to another 9-to-5 job. That's when I stumbled upon Wealthy Affiliate and affiliate marketing, and it changed everything. 1 week into Wealthy Affiliate's training, I knew I had found the perfect fit. Unlike other platforms I've tried, like MLMs, the affiliate marketing model just made sense. Wealthy Affiliate offers step-by-step training, an incredibly supportive community, and all the tools you need to build a successful online business. The training opened my eyes to how much of the internet is driven by affiliate marketing. Did you know that over 80% of brands worldwide use affiliate programs? That's a huge opportunity for anyone willing to dive in. Fast forward to today, and I'm on my 4th website. My RV niche site is finally seeing consistent traffic in the high double digits daily, and I'm starting to notice more clicks and purchases through my affiliate links. I've even won content creation contests, which is proof that this system works when you put it in effort. Whether it's RV gear, fitness equipment, or digital tools, Wealthy Affiliate helped me carve out multiple profitable niches. What sets Wealthy Affiliate apart for me is the level of support. If you're stuck on or have questions, there's always someone there to help you, whether it's the community, the support team, or even AI tools that simply simplify your tasks. No other platform I've tried offers this much guidance and encouragement. Wealthy Affiliate is perfect for digital nomads, RV enthusiasts, and anyone looking for extra income. If you're living full-time on the road, or just want to build a side hustle, this platform gives you everything you need to succeed. If you're thinking about joining Wealthy Affiliate, but feel unsure, my advice is simple. Ask questions and give it a try. When you sign up through my link in the comments, you'll get 100% support from me, and once you're in, the community will help you every step of the way. Wealthy Affiliate gave me the tools to build a lifestyle I love, and I know it can do the same for you. Click the link in the description to get started. Cheers.